Might be a little better angle here. You can see this 3 troughs. Where I'm standing is actually where our dryer run is going to be. So this wall right here and this back wall right here will be the dryers. Our folding area is kind of right in this corner, and then we got trough 1, 2, and 3 over there. It certainly is noisy here. It's a busy street. So we poured the trough floor on a slight pitch towards the drain. Hey guys, Jason here at the Laundromat. We are about, I think we're in between week 4 and week 5. And we got some good progress. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around. It's kind of funny today because it is raining in the building, but here we go. I'm gonna turn it around for you. So what we've done, all of our plumbing is in the ground. So all of our supply lines, our drains, the electrical conduit at least is in the ground for that. So back here is where the hot water heaters are going to be. There's going to be a closet here. Then we're going to have a high-low ADA compliant bubbler, water fountain, whatever you call it, that's going to be on the outside of the closet wall here. We poured all the cement, so we got the poured the bases for the big machine. So we got a good amount of concrete there and a bunch of compacted stone. The troughs are poured. The electrical, obviously, water is pulled up through. It's raining today, and you can see all the water coming in everywhere, and the roof has been taken off. So we don't even have a roof right now. We have the Spancrete ceiling, and you can see right through. You can see it right through. You can see daylight right through everything. So still a work in progress, guys, but we have, the big accomplishment this week is we actually have a concrete floor. This was piles of dirt at the beginning of the week. So we have our troughs, we have a floor, we actually have a level floor throughout the building. And what we did on Friday is we actually poured a curb outside the building.